We have always claimed that the Linde hydrostatic truck, with its unique and innovative features, provides a level of precision, control and productivity that our competitors cannot hope to match with their conventional transmission systems. To demonstrate the validity of this claim, we have made this video, which shows a series of tests involving operating sequences that amply demonstrate the outstanding performance of the Linde 39X, fitted with the ultimate forklift transmission system. One of the key features of the Linde hydrostatic system is the highly efficient way it uses engine power. This small demonstration showed this feature to good effect. You heard how quiet the engine was as the truck climbed the step at minimal engine speeds. You can also see the superb precision and control provided by this world-renowned transmission system, which translates into real productivity benefits when applied to industrial applications. Trucks with conventional torque converter transmissions are unable to offer this. Typical counterbalance truck operations require frequent and rapid changes between forward and reverse, braking, direction selection and acceleration, all of which place considerable physical demands on truck and operator. Whilst approved operation requires the truck to be stopped before the opposite direction of travel is selected, productivity demands rarely allow this to happen. The result is often premature tyre wear or expensive damage to the transmission. With the Linde hydrostatic transmission, these problems do not occur, because even if the opposite direction of travel is selected at full speed, automatic hydrostatic braking will ensure a smooth, progressive deceleration and a rapid, seamless reverse, with no stress or detrimental effect on the transmission. This smooth sequence of events is maintained even in the event of over-enthusiastic operation of the pedals. Note how quiet the truck is. The Linde direct drive hydrostatic transmission has no torque converter, no clutch, no differential or reduction gears, and none of the operational limitations and maintenance costs associated with these components. The Linde hydrostatic transmission system is designed to give in excess of 20,000 hours operation in arduous working conditions. This equates to some 500,000 miles for a heavy goods vehicle. Inadvertently leave truck A weighing approximately 4,000 kilograms on a gradient without applying the handbrake, or if the handbrake isn't working effectively, and during the inevitable rollback it could reach a speed in excess of 7 kilometers per hour, more than enough to demolish anything in its path. This will happen whether the truck's engine is running or switched off. So in the case of truck A, it's vital to apply the parking brake when leaving the truck, and essential to keep the brake properly adjusted. With the Linde hydrostatic truck, such a dangerous mistake could not occur. Even with the engine running, if the Linde 39X hydrostatic truck is left on a gradient without applying the handbrake, automatic hydrostatic braking will limit rollback to approximately 0.1 kilometers per hour. And if the engine is switched off, the oil-immersed disc brakes on the drive wheels are automatically applied to put the truck in secure parked mode. The Linde hydrostatic transmission only provides traction when the accelerator pedal is pressed down. In all other cases, whether on a gradient or level surface, the truck is automatically and safely braked. In normal operation, the operator does not have to use the brake pedal because wear-free hydrostatic braking occurs automatically and progressively as the accelerator pedal is released. Engine output powers both the traction and lift functions of an engine truck, and all operators face the challenge of having to lift a load as quickly as possible while simultaneously moving the truck forward at creep speed. Let's now see how truck A copes with the task of operating effectively with these two directly opposing speed demands. As the operator approaches the stack, the inching pedal is used to stop the truck, and the engine RPM is increased by pressing on the accelerator pedal in order to lift the load. The inch brake is released to creep up to the stack and press down again to hold the truck while the load is lowered. Reverse is then selected, the inch brake released, and the accelerator pressed down to back away. This common and frequent maneuver requires no less than 10 operator actions for every load stored. Let's now analyze the same storage sequence using the Linde 39X. Travel speed and braking are exclusively controlled by the accelerator pedals, whilst engine speed is automatically increased as the Linde load control lift lever is actuated. The Linde hydraulic control system automatically feeds this increased power output to the lift function only, while power to the traction system remains constant until the operator further depresses or releases the accelerator. With no inching pedal and no need to rev the engine to achieve the extra power for lift, the operator only has to carry out 5 actions during each load handling cycle, i.e. 50% less physical effort. As an alternative to the Linde twin pedal system, a single pedal layout is available, combined with a direction selector switch on the armrest. This version allows the truck to blend perfectly into existing fleets, while still achieving a work cycle with fewer physical movements. Translated into a full working shift, this means that the operator of the Linde truck remains far more efficient and productive day in, day out, thus reducing your handling costs significantly. Looking more closely at what this means in practice, we simulated for both trucks a typical lorry unloading cycle using 14 pallets which had to be transferred to a block stacking zone some 5 meters away. This sequence has been speeded up to save time. The two trucks started at precisely the same time, but the Linde truck was soon forging ahead. As you will see, the Linde hydrostatic truck completes the unloading sequence, whilst Truck A with its conventional torque converter transmission still has 3 pallets to unload. Truck A was beaten on pure performance in spite of being fitted with a larger engine, and the winner, the Linde 39X, used 50% less fuel to complete the task. This practical demonstration graphically confirms the matchless productivity and performance of the new Linde 39X, which combines superb functional styling with outstanding levels of operator comfort and safety. All this with a low-emission, quiet-running engine and a transmission system that is highly fuel-efficient with low maintenance requirements. For the highest levels of uptime and productivity and lowest cost per pallet moved, the Linde 39X will be the first choice for discerning buyers seeking a significant increase in their materials handling efficiency and a rapid return on their investment.